Go to page 160. Okay, before we start, I just want to show you one example. That is example 1. She will try to explain you with a picture. It might help you to understand the lesson more better. Okay? Come on.
When is a relation a function? Think about this question during the lesson. Jonah is shipping 5 boxes for his uncle. Each box is the same size but a different weight. The cost to ship each box is shown. Should Jonah expect cost to ship a 15-pound box will be a unique cost? You can begin by stacking the boxes according to their weight. Put the heaviest box on the bottom. Is there a relationship between the weight of the box and the cost to ship the box?
What did they say? She first ordered it. She arranged it, okay, according to the numbers. Like weight 14, the heaviest will be down. Okay, then 12, then 10, then 9, 8. She arranged it and then she asked you that can you make a pair? Like 8 is $8, 9 is $8, again 8.72, 10 is 9.7. You have to make a arrow diagram and let us see how they make it.
Box. The heavier the package, the greater the cost. However, the costs do not increase at a constant rate. Now organize the data using ordered pairs. Input, weight, and output, cost. The top box weighs 8 pounds and costs $8.56 to ship. The ordered pair is 8 and 56 hundredths. The next box weighs 9 pounds and costs $8.72. 10 pounds costs $9.01. 12 pounds costs $9.55. And 14 pounds costs $10.03. Any set of ordered pairs, like the 5 we have here, is called a relation.
Now girls, when you have this, don't you think so you can easily make that arrow diagram? You will just put 8, 9, 10, 12, 14 in one of the like example. You have 2, you have, okay, you will take 2 and then, I'm sorry. Okay, and how will you pair them? You write 8, 9, 10, 12, and 14. And you will make a pair and you write 8.56, you write 8.72, you write 9.01, 9.55, and 10.03. That means, can you pair with it? Yes. So what is it called? This is called an arrow diagram. This is called an arrow diagram. Is it clear? Do you feel it is tough? Nothing. You just have to connect. Okay. I cannot connect 8 to $8.72. No, that might be wrong. You have to connect in a proper way. I'm sorry.
Let's use an arrow diagram to match each input value to its output value. 8 pounds on one side, $8.56 on the other. And we can repeat this for the other 4 ordered pairs. Which group represents the outputs?
Select your answer.
Output. What do you think is output, girls? Is it the first circle or the second circle? Which one is the output? Like the second one, this one is the in and this one is outside, okay?
A relation is a function when each input is assigned exactly one output. Is the relation shown a function?
Okay, guys, the most important thing is, turn to page 160. Turn to page 160 and put a star mark or highlight. Any set of ordered pair is a relation. Any set will be a relation. Page 160. 160, you see that yellow color? Relation and you have function. You have two different, put a star mark to those. Here. Any set of ordered pair is a relation. And here, what is a relation? Please, Noor, can you read it out loudly? What is a relation? A relation is a function. Okay, so what is a function? Because this whole lesson, they're going to ask you whether this is a function or not. It has to have only one output. If in case the question, they say you like this, see? They say you like this, that this 8 is paired to this one and it's also paired to this one. Is this a function? Is it a function, girls? If it is paired to both, no. It has to have exactly one output. Look at the board, Judy. It cannot. See, Dana. If the question asked like this, is this a function? You will say no. But yes, if it is 1-to-1, if it is 1-to-1, yes, this is a function. It's okay if it is cross or something, but one input cannot have two outputs. If it has two outputs, that means it is not a function. Do you understand? Because rest questions, they'll just ask you whether it's a function or not. That's it for this one, and we'll start with the exercise. Let us quickly see what she ends up with or what he ends up with.
The diagram shows that for each input, there's exactly one output.
One output.
The relation is a function.
Okay?
So Jonah can expect that the cost to ship a 15-pound box will be a unique cost. So what do you expect to be true about the cost for Jonah to ship a 15-pound box?
Simple, girls. We have done a lot in last lesson. For 8 LB, or the weight is 8, you have $8.56. So for 15, how much? You remember this relation? This is division. 8.56 over 8, you will multiply by 15. You know this very well. I don't need to repeat how to find out the unknown value.
A 15-pound box should cost more than $10.03. Now you know how to use an arrow diagram to decide whether a relation is a function.
Okay, now we are done with this. I will directly go to the textbook and we'll start with I don't know whether you can see or not. If not, I will just go to student edition. Is this clear or no? Okay. Now, or let me, one second, let me go directly. You have just not even 10 minutes. I don't even have more 10 minutes. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, here this question. Now look at it. Let me just make it bigger for you. Now here, guys. How about 24? What is it paired with? 24. Tell me, 24 is paired with what? Look at here, the output. This is the input and this is the output. So with 24, you have 4, very good. And also you have 8. Okay, you have 8 also. That means I need to put an arrow mark. Oh, sorry. This is 4 and 8. With 24, you have 2 things. You have 4 and you also have 8. Then next, with 35 or with 27, look at 27. Do you have something with 27? Yes, you have 9. Do you have anything more? No. How about 35? You have 5. So what do you think, girls? Because for 24, you have 2 inputs, right? Or you can say 2 outputs with that. So is it a function? No, it's not a function. Okay, I finished with this. I finished with this, but it's not a function. So just quickly complete it and write down. Just write. They ask you complete the is the area of the brancher function of the side length? Explain. Is the area of a brancher a function? Is it a function? No, it's not a function. No, it's no, because I can assign exactly one output to each input. I can assign exactly one output to each input. You all know what to write here. 4, this is, I guess 8. And you know, you need to put arrow mark. You need to put arrow mark. 5, sorry, 5 is 35, I guess. And 9 is 27. It's not a function. Are you all done? Directly turn to page number 162. Or 1 second, let us go to 161 and do one question, and then we'll go to 162. Is it finished, girls? Can I go to next question? Next. Girls, by looking at this, look at try it. On next page, please look at try it and tell me, looking at the table, make the pairs and tell me whether it's a function or not. Quickly. Quickly, girls. See this, try it and make a pair. Okay, make a pair. Quickly make the diagram. Okay, I'll make here and I'll make here. 54, 54. Sorry, don't write 54 2 times, just write 54, 45, 61, 45, 65. There is there already? Okay, so just check whether this is a function or no. Is this a function, girls? No. No, it's not a function. No. Just write down no. Don't explain because you all know the explanation. Now, girls, here, next page. Girls, is this a function? By looking at it, decide, is this a function? No. Why? Because there are two outputs for 40 and 50. There are two outputs, 40 and 50, for the input value of 20. No, there are two output values, 40 and 50, for